So last week I was stressing out about not getting our garden in time and thinking we were behind on everything. Yeah. Look what my morning looks like. This is what I woke up to. Mid-April. There's buds on the trees. Let's see, we got one that dropped one of its limbs because these trees weren't built to be holding snow on top of their leaves. So, yep, maple tree. Anyway, looks like a regular winter wonderland out here. And there's barely any corn left in the chickens. But it's okay because this isn't supposed to stick around, and they say by this weekend it'll be 60s and probably mid 70s by next week. Didn't get cold enough to freeze any of the water, so that's a plus. Oh, there's a little bit of corn left in there. They'll be happy to have that. Come out. Okay. That's for the piggies. It's crazy. I was just out here yesterday painting in a sweatshirt, so oh no. Oh, that's not good. Look at my orchard. Oh. That's not good at all. Well, it is what it is, and we can't change it now, right? We invested in a feeder so that we don't have to worry about them running out. It's a great investment. Where you at, pork and beans? Pork and beans. They're like, I'm not coming out. They're refusing to come out. Pork and beans. No, they're not having it. I don't blame them. Oh. It's heavy snow. We did have a few things out. We had some cauliflower, and then obviously you guys seen us plant strawberries. I don't know if they'll make it or not. We tried to cover them up best we could. Guess we'll see. They either will or they won't. The pan of the woods, which I think is the prettiest when we get a snow. Just yesterday, this is loaded with blooms. You can see the blooms. Now, loaded with snow. So it turned out to be a good thing that I didn't get our garden in on time. These little babies wouldn't have done so well out there. So what I was stressing out about actually turned out to be a blessing.